Let me ask you a question. Why do we stop at red lights even when no one's watching? Why do most people wear white to weddings and black to funerals? These things aren't laws, but we still follow them. That's the power of social facts, a concept introduced by sociologist Émile Durkheim, the father of sociology. Stick around to learn more about sociology's social facts. Durkheim believed society is held together by invisible forces called social facts. So, what are social facts? Well, they are the norms, values, customs, and rules that exist outside the individual, yet control our behavior. In Emile's own words, he said, "Social facts are ways of acting, thinking, and feeling, external to the individual, and endowed with a power of coercion." Social facts are universal. You can't touch a social fact, but you'll definitely feel it if you break one. Let's try an example, shall we? You walk into an elevator and face the back wall instead of the door. No one stops you, but people give you weird looks, and you feel awkward. That pressure to turn around, well, that's a social fact in action. Let's take 3 examples. 1. In education. Why do we sit quietly, raise our hands, and follow a schedule? These aren't laws. They're social facts of the school system. 2. In marriage. Marriage isn't just about love. It's filled with expectations, rituals, and roles. These are social facts passed through culture. 3. In travel. Why do we queue? Not because of police, but because of social norms. Social facts help Durkheim explain how society works as a system. They maintain order, stability, and predictability. Without them, social life would be chaotic. It's like traffic signals in a busy city. Even when we disagree with them, we follow them, because otherwise there'd be crashes. Can social facts be harmful? Well, yes. Some social facts reinforce discrimination or racism. These aren't laws, but they shape how people are treated and what's considered normal. Durkheim said we must study social facts scientifically to understand, and when needed, challenge them. Next time you follow an unspoken rule, ask yourself, did I choose this, or did society choose for me? That's the power of social facts. Do you relate? Are there any social norms you follow that could be considered social facts? Share them in the comments section. Did you enjoy this video? Then subscribe to see more sociology doodle videos and share with a friend who's curious. This would really help me expand my audience and make better videos. Want me to cover something specific in my videos? Then please leave your suggestion in the comments section and I'll respond. Thank you for watching. See you next time.